Okay, so we have seen about data types and variables. Okay, so we are seeing the types of variables available. Okay, so there are two types of, okay, I'm just giving a small recap so that everyone will again go to this. Okay, so what is a variable? Variable is just a memory location which helps us to store some values in it. That's it. So what types of what types of values can be saved? That depends on what data type we are giving as a reference. That's it. Okay, so how a variable will be declared means integer. I'll increase the font size. I is equal to 10. If I give, what will happen? It creates me one memory location. Okay, it creates me. Okay, it creates me one memory location. Then I will be the memory location name. Then that integer, okay, integer, this one acts as a reference for me so that it tells to the memory location store only integer values. Then this 10 will be stored in it. That's it. Okay, this is what the data type reference will be helpful for us. Clear? Then next, what are the different types of variables before we see? First, we write how normally a class will be written. Class ABC. This is how a class will be written. Okay, this is how always our program will be started. Then inside a class, we will have a main function, public static void main. Okay, why we need this main function? It's an executable function. If we want to execute our program, only those steps that are there inside this main function only will be executed for us. That's it. Clear for everyone? Okay, that's what this public static void meant. Then next. So there are two types of variables available. What are the two types of variables means? One is a global variable. Another one is a local variable. Variables that are declared inside the function, those are called as local variables. Variables that are declared outside the functions, those are all called as global variable. Okay, so how we declare a variable? That is this step, integer I. Declare and initializes integer I is equal to 10. That's how we used to declare and initialize. So we will declare and initialize some variables here. Any variable that has been declared outside the function, integer I is equal to 10, integer j is equal to 20. Okay, these both are global variables. Okay, global variables is of two types. One is static, another one is non-static. Okay, any variables which has a keyword called static, it's called as a static variable. Variables which does not have a keyword called static, it's called as a non-static variable. Okay, so the same type here, if I'm going to declare any variable, integer k is equal to 30. Okay, this is a local variable. Why? Because I'm declaring it inside the main function, declaring initializing it inside the main function. Which place the declaration happen, that is where it will decide what type of variable it is. Okay, so for me this is a local variable here. Okay, this also integer j equal to 20, integer k equal to 40. Both looks the same, but only thing is what, wherever it is declared, it depends. Okay, it is declared outside the main function. That's why it's a non-static global variable. It is declared inside a main function. That's why it's a local variable. Okay, so in which other ways we can utilize these variables here? So if I want to utilize these variables, what I need to do? So I need to give sysO, then okay, local variables directly I can give it with help of the variable name scissor k. So what will happen? That will print me the k value. What is my k value? Variables always should not be given in double quotes. Okay. So if I want to get my value of k, so what is the value of k right now? Integer k equal to 30. So it will print me 30 here. 30 will be printed here. Local variables always we will utilize with help of the variable name. Same thing. Static variables, what is the best way to declare? Sorry, best way to utilize it? So class name dot the variable name abc dot I. This is how we utilize the static variables. Static variables always should be referred with help of the class name here. That's it. Clear? Static variables always should be declared with help of the class name. Then next, integer j equal to 30. This is a non-static variables. Non-static variables always should be referred with the help of object name. So, how to create the object? So, to create the object, so simple. So, I need to give ABC obj1. Okay, what is the ABC? It's my class name. obj1 equal to new ABC. The command new ABC will help me to create the object. Okay, this will help me to create the object. Then obj1 will be what? The object name. Then there we gave integer as the reference. For objects, references always should be class name. So ABC is the reference here. That's a class name. What we will say to the object means load all the global members of the ABC class. So what are the global members we have here? One is I, another one is J. Both static and non-static members will be loaded. Then after that, even my main function, public static void main, that's also is a global function. That also will be loaded into the object. Okay. Now all the global members are loaded to the object. Now if I want, I can give scissor obj1.j. Now I can refer the non-static member obj1.j. So this will give me the non-static members information obj1.j. Clear? Then next, now actually what? It will print me 20. Static members alone can be referred in different ways. One with help of the class name, then another one with reference of the object name also I can refer it obj1.I. Even though I can refer it with help of directly the variable name also. Static members alone I can refer with in different ways here. So it can be referred with help of directly the variable name also. This is how we utilize. Clear? Anyone has any questions on this, guys? So based on this, we will see some complicated program. Anyone has any questions on this? Let me know. Any questions for anyone? Okay, cool. So now, okay, just let ping me in the chat windows. Yes, if you have understood. Okay, let me ask in this way. Everyone, print, give me. Because based on this only, the next step, if you understand this one only, the next step actually what the complicated program you guys can do. Cool. Okay, now you guys are going to help me on to write this program for me. Okay, one more thing I'll just show you before starting this one also. So because the next program, I want you guys to help me. So when I execute this program, what will happen in the backend? How the memory allocations are going to happen? Okay, so let me show you. So first, when we start to execute the program, a memory location will be created for me. Then what will be the memory location name? It will be always the class name with some hexadecimal number, ABC, some hexadecimal numbers will come. Then the first memory location which will be created into the memory is static pool. Okay, static pool is what? First it will be created. Okay, let's just check it. Okay, so this is first what will happen, we will get static pool. Okay, then next, what are the members will be loaded here? All the static members. So what are the static members? We have static int I is equal to 10. Then public static void main. Sorry, just a second. I just want one. Okay, so public static void main. Okay, we have, so all the static members are loaded into the object. Okay, then next, first actually what will happen, my main function start to execute, because main is an executable function I told. So main will start to execute. So when the main function start to execute, what will happen? It creates me one local memory for main. Okay, a local memory for main is created. Local memory for main is created down. Okay, then next what will happen, the main function start to execute. The first step is what? Integer key equal to 30. So now what will happen, a new variable will be created into the main function. Okay, then system.out.println k. So now when I refer only with the variable name, what will happen, now the search will go to the main function. Do we have k variable? Yes, I have. What is the value of it? That is 30. 30 will be printed for me first. Then system.out.println abc.i. So when I refer with help of class name, always the search will go to the static pool. Okay, there do we have I variable? Yes, we have. What is the value of it? It is 10. 10 will be printed for me. Clear guys? Okay. Then next, I am going to create an object. When I'm going to create an object, so ABC obj1 equal to new ABC. So new ABC, what will happen right now for me? It will create me an object. So an object is created. From where this object is created? That object is created from the main function. Why? Because in the main function only I have this step. That's why this object is related to the main function. What is the object name? That is obj1. Then next, what are the members will be loaded into the object? All the global members. So what are the global members we have? Static int I is equal to 10, int j equal to 20. So these two will be loaded. And then even my main function, that also will be loaded. So all these three members are being loaded into the object. Correct? Okay. Then next, obj1.j. Now I'm referring with help of the object name. Now the search will go to the object. Do we have j variable here? Yes. What is the value of it? It is 20. 20 will be printed for me. Then next, obj1.i. Now when I refer with again the object, directly search will go to object 1. Then what is the I value? That is 10. Okay, so usually this static member alone, what will happen? Always it will have only one copy. So that means what I'm trying to say here means, okay, in this static pool, whatever information I have, that only will come here. Okay, so that means wherever any changes to happens to the static pool, that change will be applied all over the places. Okay, we'll do that changes also and then we'll see. Okay, from here only that in 10 will come. Okay, let me say again in detail. Now, obj1.i, that is what? 10. So go to the object 1. What is the I value right now? That is 10. That will be printed for me. Then next, system.println I. So now when I go refer only with the variable name as I, goes to the main function. What is my I here? Here I don't have any I variable. But from where the main function has been created, it is created from where? It is created from this static pool. So now the search will go to the static pool. Okay, there do we have I variable? Yes, this is 10. Okay, when I refer with only variable name, always search will go to the main function, then only it will go to the static pool. But when I refer with class name, search directly goes to the static pool. That's the only difference. Clear for everyone, guys? Okay, so then now we will again add some more steps here to make us understand the concepts in a little bit easier manner. So now system.println I is it. Okay, now what I'm gonna do right now means, okay, I'm going to give abc dot I is equal to 50. I'm going to give equal to 50. I'm going to give. So what will happen at this step? Then after that, integer I is equal to 30. Sorry. I is equal to 7. I'm going to give. What will happen? Okay, then I'm going to print shizo obj1.i. Okay, so before that, this step, let me give it later. obj1.i, what is the value? Shizo I, what is the value? Shizo abc.i, what is the value? Then integer I equal to 7 I'm giving. Then after that, I'm going to give shizo abc.i, what is the value? obj1.i, what is the value? Shizo I, what is the value? Same step I'll just have here as like will be same. Clear? So we have to execute from this step. I need to execute from this step. So abc.i equal to 50. So when I refer with help of the class name, where the search will go, the search will directly goes to the static pool and the value will be replaced from 10 to 50. That's what will happen. Clear? Then system.println abc.i. So that means goes to the static pool. What is the I value right now? That is 50. 50 will be printed. So before that, whenever I change the value of I, Okay, whenever I change the value of I, it may be in the object level or it may be in the static pool, that change will happen everywhere. So what I'm trying to say means here also that value of I will be changed from 10 to 50 because this is going to take the copy from here only. Okay, that's what will happen. Then so obj1.I. Now in the object level, what is the I value? There also is 50 because any change happens to the static member, that change will be applied everywhere because static members will have only one copy. That copy only will be taken in all the places. That reference only will be taken in all the places. That's what. Then system.out.println, sorry, obj1.I is what? Again is 50. So I need to print 50. Then system.println I. So that means what? First it goes to the main function. Do we have I variable? No. Goes to the static pool. Do we have I? The value of I is 50. Clear for everyone? Guys, ping me in the chat windows. Yes, if everyone has understood this step. Everyone, I want response from everyone. If you don't understand also, let me know. I'll explain again. Okay. Okay, sure. So now system.println abc.I obj1.I I. Everywhere actually what we got 50 50 50 because one change happened for the I variable. The same information we are taking it in all the places. Then integer I equal to 7. Now what happened? It creates me a new variable in the main function. Integer I equal to 7. That's what it's going to do. Clear? We got it. Then next what will happen? System.out.println I. So what is this integer I equal to 7? It's actually I'm declaring a new variable. That is actually will become as a local variable for the main function. That's what. Clear? Now next what I'm going to do system.println abc.I. That means search will go to the static pool. What is the I value? 50 will be printed. Again 50 will be printed. Then obj1.I. So that means goes to the object 1. What is the I value? 50 will be printed. Then next system.println I. So when you refer only with the variable name, search will go to the main function. Do we have I variable here? Yes, prints me 7. Okay, before actually we were not having any local variable called I. That's why the search will go to the static pool. But now we have the I variable here. So that's why what? Directly we got the local variable information 7. That's the thing. Clear for everyone, guys? Okay. Now we'll go to the little bit a complicated program. Okay, I'll execute this one. So we'll see how everyone has understood it. Okay, so before that we'll have a 5 minutes break. I don't want to continue with the same. Okay, 7:35 will again connect. Okay, guys. Okay, and then we'll see this complicated program. I have a 5 minutes break and then again we'll start. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, we'll start the session. So let us start with that new program. Okay, so we are going to execute this program. So first, when I start to execute the program, a memory location will be created for us. So what will be the memory location? That will be my class name with some hexadecimal number. We will create it. Then next, what will happen for us? The first memory which will be created. Okay, Anil, can you help me? What will be the first memory which will be created?
The static pool will be created.
Super. So static pool will be created for us. So what are the static members that will be loaded into the object?
Static int k equal to 40.
Correct. Static.
And public static void main.
Yes. So the first memory is the static int k equal to 40. Then next one is my
Public static void.
main function. Yes. Only these two are the static members here. So only these two will be loaded. Awesome. Super. Yes. Then next what will happen?
And then it goes into the main function and creates a local memory.
Super. The local memory for main will be created for me now. Yes. A good. Thanks, Anand. Now next, Lata, can you tell me now for us a local memory for main is created. Okay. What will happen?
Murali, your voice is breaking, Murali.
Oh, guys, for everyone is my voice is breaking. Guys, for everyone is my voice is breaking.
Mine is problem, I think.
Okay.
Oh.
From your side, your net connection here, just if you can check it. Please.
Yeah, mine is, I think, my side
Okay.
is problem.
Sure. Okay. Naresh, can you tell me what will happen now? The main function has been created. Okay. He has a mic problem. Hey, hi, Pallavi. Hello. Hey, hi, Pallavi. You're there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Hey, hi, Pallavi. Can you execute me? Now the main function will start to execute. Now what will happen?
Int I is equal to 10 will be 4 and 5.
Yeah, int I equal to 10 and then int j equal to 20. So what will happen? Two local variables will be created into the main function. Then next, hello, you think?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, can you tell me next what will happen?
What is that plus I and plus j?
This is
Aware of that.
concatenation. So it's going to print as local variable, then plus I. That means what? It's a concatenation. So any information that has been added to a string will be concatenated. That means what? Joining. It will be joined. It's going to print I. If I am going to print, what will be the output? Goes to the main function. What is the I value?
10.
10. Then j, what is the value? Go to the main function, 20. So it's going to print me local variable. Whatever information we have in the string, it will be printed as like it is local variable. Then plus I. So what is the I value in the main function? It is 10.
Yeah.
So a small space, okay, local variable space, then 10, then again a space, then J. J value is what? 20 in the main function. 20 will be printed. Understood, Pallavi?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now can you tell me what will happen? The next step.
Global variable will be printed.
Super.
With that, 40.
So how the search will go? When I
It
give
will go in. Yeah, it will go into the main function. There, if it doesn't find k value, then it will go into the static pool.
super awesome, because I'm referring only with the variable name. That means always search will go to the main function. Do we have k? No. Then it will go to the static pool. The value of k is 40. Super. Very good. Good, Pallavi. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, hi, Sneha.
Hi Murli.
Can you tell me what will happen these 3 steps?
Yeah, an object will be created for the class global local variable.
Super.
So
What will be the object name?
obj or obj1 or anything.
No. Here what we are given?
Yeah, global local variable object.
So that means what's the object name?
Global local variable.
No.
New. Yeah.
New global
local variable.
No. Give global local variable help me to create this object. That means it creates a memory location. Then obj will be the object name. Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
Integer
obj.
I equal to 10 when I give, I told I is the variable name. Correct? Same like that.
Yeah.
Here the reference is class.
So obj is the object name.
Obj is the object name. So what is this reference of this class will be helpful for us?
Sorry?
No, what is the usage of this class reference here?
It will refer the object.
Yes, sir. This will act as a reference. Tell to the object, load only the global members into the object. So what are the global members we have in this object?
Global members k is equal to 40.
One is
Int
static.
k, yeah.
Int k
Starting to k is equal to 40 and int p is equal to 50.
Super, correct. Int p equal to 50. Yes. Then.
And then in the next step, it will print the object.
No.
It will.
Also, my main function also is a global function.
Global.
So that also will be loaded. Clear?
Okay.
Yes. Then, apart from that, any global members are there? No.
No.
Yes. Then.
Next are local variables. So the p object dot p. So p will be printed. It will go to the. So 50 will be printed.
Correct. So it goes to the object because I'm referring with the help of the object name.
Object name.
It goes to the object. What is my p value?
50.
50 will be printed. Yes, correct. So it also.
And next.
Then.
Next it will go to k.
Yeah. Where the search will go?
In object only.
Yes. Go to the object. Do we have k value? Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So 40.
40. Yes. Then.
And then he has directly given the values like 60 and 90.
No. What is this step?
Dot p. He's initializing.
Reinitialization. Because already we have initialized once. Now it's reinitialization. So what will happen now?
The values in the object will be changed. P value and k value will be changed. P will be changed to 50 and k will be changed to 90.
Yes. So obj 1.p equal to 60 here. So goes to the object. What is the p value? It is 50. 60. That will be now changed to 60 here. Yes, correct. That is changed. Then next.
K value will also be changed to 90.
So k is a static member. Okay. Now obj.k is also changed to 90. So I told you static members will have
in static pool also it will be changed.
Correct. It will have only single copy. So this change will be applied everywhere. There also that member value will be changed from
40 to 90.
40 to 90. That's it. Is super. Okay, now can you print it? Print the values.
Print the values. Now the p value will be 60 and the k value.
What will be printed?
Object dot p. So
Yes.
p value.
obj.p.
obj.p
space
and 60 space 60.
Correct. Go to the object. Then p value is what? 60. Yes, correct. Then
obj.k space 90.
Correct. obj.k. Then it will be in the k, that will be 90. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Super. Then next.
Global local variable space 90.
Yes. Global local variable. Then where the search will go now? Global local variable dot k means?
It will go to the static pool.
Yes. Because when you refer with the help of class name, always the search will go to static pool.
Static pool.
Then the value
so k
will
value
be
is 90.
90. That's it. You're clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks, Rekha. Thank you so much. Now, hey, hi, Venkat.
Hey.
Can you explain me this step?
So new memory location with object obj1 will be created.
So a new object called obj1 will be created. So it's going to create a new object obj1. Yes, correct. Correct. Now what will happen? So when you create a new object, what will happen? What this reference will help us to do?
Static pool variables will be created. Will be
simple concept. It's like you have to say all the global members of the global local variable class will be loaded. Global members means a combination of static and then non-static.
Static and non-static. Yes.
So what are the static global members?
Static int k and int p.
Yes. Then
both of them will be stored there.
Yes, and my main function. So, but static members, if you see right now, the new value is what? 90. Because static members always will have only single copy. Correct? So, the new value of the static member is actually what? 90. So, that 90 is what actually right now will be taken. So, the latest value right now it is 90. Yeah. Then the same thing, non-static members actually what? It's not actually as like one copy, it's multiple copies. So currently, right now at the beginning, what is the value they have? The same value will be taken. That is 50. The main difference between the static and non-static members.
Right.
Okay. Then my main function also will be loaded.
Function also will be.
Okay. Cool. Everyone understood this concept, guys? Why the static member has taken the latest value 90, but the non-static member actually got, even though it is 60, but still it takes the previous value. Okay, because static members will have single copy, non-static members will have multiple copies. That's why. Clear for everyone? Everyone understood this concept?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thanks, guys. So now next. So now, what will happen now next?
It will execute that system.out.println and object1.p space.
Yes, super. obj1.p space.
Yes. 50.
Yes, correct.
Output will be 50.
So it goes to the obj1. What is the p value right now? 50.
50.
50 will be printed. Yes. Super. Then next.
And obj1.k space 90.
Correct. obj1.k. Then here in the obj1.k, what is the value? It is 90.
90.
90 will be printed. Yes. Then.
And global local variable space.
Yes, correct.
Global local variable dot k, that is 90.
Correct. So where the search will go? Global local variable dot, that is referring with the class name where the search will go.
It will go to the static pool.
Correct. When you refer with class name, search will go to static pool.
Static pool.
Then the
That
key
takes the
value is 90. That's it. Okay. Hey, awesome. Thanks, Ankit. Now next. Hey, hi Shiva. You there? Shiva, can you tell me now what will happen when I give global local variable dot k equal to 20? Shiva, you there? Hello. Okay. Anil, can you tell me what will happen now when I give global local variable
K
dot
value
k?
will be reinitialized to 20.
Super. So how the search will go and then it will replace?
It will directly go to the static pool.
Correct. Then the current value of 90 will be replaced with 20.
20. And it will be replacing even in OBJ and OBJ.
Awesome, super. Because static pool will have single copy. So whenever it's changing, it will change in all over the places. That's what. Because all these object members, it's like a reference is what taking from the static pool. It's not that new variable is created here. Okay, the reference is what actually what taken from all over the places. Yes, super. Then
And then now the value will be again reinitiated to 70.
so where in the
OBJ1.
yes obj1.k that will be changed to 70. So whenever it changes the value in the object level also, what will happen? The change will applied in all over the places. Everywhere now it will be 70 only. Clear for everyone? Yes. Then next.
Now the OBJ1 p value will be changed, initiated to 25.
Correct. obj1.p. Yes, that will be changed to 25. So whenever a change is happening to the non-static member, will it be changed anywhere? No, because it will have only duplicate copies. Okay, so that change will apply only on that place alone. Good. Hey, good enough. Can you tell me now what will happen this time?
One more new object will be created.
Yes, the object
and
name
all the
is
global OBJ2.
Yes, obj2. Then what are
All the
members?
global variable values will be stored.
Yeah. Yes. Just a second, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. My mistake. Sorry, I was in mute. Okay, so now what we are doing right now here, next step actually what we are creating the object that is obj2. Now all the global members will be loaded. So what are the global members, Anil?
Static int k equal to 70.
Yes. So the latest value right now is static int k. The value of that one is what? 70. 70 will be taken. Yes. Then
int p equal to 50.
correct. Then after that, int p equal to 50. So always non-static members will take the previous value only. That is actually what the old value only will be taken always. Yes. Then
main function.
Then my main function also will be loaded. Okay. So then next what will happen?
Now it will print the k value 70.
Yes, global local variable dot k. So that means referring with help of a class name, search will directly go to the static pool. That will be 70. Okay. Yes. Next.
Now if we go to obj2
Yes.
and print p
obj2.
equal to 50. P
Okay.
equal to 50.
Yes. The value will be 50. Yes. Then
It will print k equal to 70 from obj2.
obj2.k. So obj2 k value is what? 70.
70.
Yes, correct. Then
If you go to obj and print the value p equal to 60.
yes, the next one is obj.p. So in the obj, what is the p value right now?
60.
60 will be printed. Yes. Then
It will print
obj1.p,
25. 25.
it is 25. That's it. Next, what will happen? Entire main function has been executed. Now what will happen?
It will close all the local memory.
So now main function will get deleted. So all these objects are being created from where? From the
Main function.
main function. Sorry guys. Now the main function, once actually it has been deleted, what will happen? The garbage collector will delete the memories which are created from the main function. Those are all these objects. Those also will be created. Superb, Valerie. Good. It's been deleted by the garbage collector. Yes. Next, once the main function has been executed, then next the entire class also executes on come mode. Now what will happen?
It will exit out of the main function and even the static pool will be deleted.
When it comes out of the entire class, static pool, and then the entire memory is deleted by garbage collector. Understood this? Everyone understood what is a variable? What are the types of variable? How to access all the variables, and then how the memories will be allocated. Okay, main information you need to know means how the memories are allocated, and then how the memories are being changed. Okay, whenever I'm going to initialize or any variable, for which are the memories actually what? The memories are going to be allocated. For the static members only, everywhere it will be changed. For the non-static member, only for the specific object only the change will happen. That's the main concept. That's why we are saying with this memory location. Okay, everyone understood this? Anyone has any questions? Please ping me in the chat windows. Yes, as everyone understood, or if you have any questions, please ping me. So I'm going to give some assignments for today. Okay, so as of now, everyone has, okay, not today. Tomorrow I'll just give you, tomorrow we'll be taking functions. Okay, so once we cover the functions, I'll just give some assignments for you. So, okay guys. So tomorrow we'll meet by same time. Thank you. Thanks guys.